Reacting to Matt Stonie eat his diamond play button.
Yeah. Still looks cool. Diamond.
Man, you must need good teeth.
Hey! Stop. My teeth toast, man.
Why would you even do this? That looks real. He's actually gonna eat it. No way that would be healthy. It would get like stuck in your body too.
New year. Got my play button. This thing is a monster of a trophy. This thing is, it's heavy. 10.5 pounds. I think they said like aluminum, space grade aluminum or something fancy like that. So again, thank you guys so much for making 10 million on this YouTube channel possible. But I know you didn't quit to watch me say thank you. I did that whole other video. Today we're eating the diamond play button. 3,
What?
2,
When do you have
1, go. Alright, we're making a diamond play button, and then we're gonna eat it. 3 boxes of rice, crispy treat bags.
I was about to say. Man, I was about to say you ain't gonna.
I tested it, I planned it, so I'm anticipating it to look good, but I don't know. So without further ado, let's get cooking. Alright, for the center, the core of the diamond play button, we're going to make a giant rice crispy treat. Alright, so yeah, this is good enough. We're going to make a full tray and then trim it down.
Buddy.
Alright. Ooh, that smell. Oh, this pan's big enough. Here we go.
Is this really just how you make Rice Krispies? It literally is.
Oh, that's good actually. Look at that. Equal parts. 4 ounces of each. By the way, I'm pretty sure this is food safe. I remember people saying that you can make food. I don't know if all epoxy is food safe though, so don't go to Home Depot and just buy any epoxy. Check if it's food safe, please. Alright, so we're making the mold around handmade little wood replica of the crystal portion.
Damn.
Play button. Alright, so we're gonna let the resin set for 24 hours until we can unmold it and then pour the sugar in. So we're gonna let that set over here. Alright, it's been 24 hours. There's the mold. So these are iso malt crystals. It's like basically sugar, just not. Basically, when I tested it, this came out much clearer looking like glass than normal sugar. Alright, crystals going in. I mean, this is gonna take like hours. Hours. Yeah, brown. Eventually.
That looks disgusting.
At the moment of truth.
Use your strength, man. Strength! Oh no. Stick out, yeah.
Oh. It's pretty good. I mean, it is quite clear, isn't it? There's a little buff polish.
No, that's not Rice Krispie. That's just like
Alright, guys. Well,
frozen
that's it for the
sugar.
night. Fast forward to tomorrow morning. Alright guys, it's a few days later. Ran into some problems with the play button crystal. I don't know what happened to this. This thing is gnarly now. It's like covered in this white mold looking shit. I think we didn't saran wrap it. Anyways, spent yesterday working on made a couple new ones. This was a failed attempt. Aluminum got in it. But finally, I don't even want to touch it. I don't want to pick it up. I got some close-ups on the camera, but it came out good. It still looks clear. Alright, so with this figured out, it's time to cut the Rice Krispies.
I could just make Rice Krispies.
Cut it easier.
Oh, you know, my lizard's trying to eat its shed. No. How about no? That stuff doesn't taste good. He's eating salad.
Alright, looking pretty cool. It's hard to see on the camera any ridges and stuff, but the eye there should show the fondant. So let's get to the fondant.
Come here. Do you know how to use fondant?
This is only my second time working with fondant. The other one was a little baby test. So what is fondant? This is sugar? I honestly don't know. Oh!
It's definitely beating.
So I looked it up. You just feed it under. Just trim the fondant. Boom. Alright, so now we gotta quickly spray this thing down. Spray it down. Today we got 100% edible metallic paint. I don't know if this thing's gonna just like blast as soon as I hit the button. Here we go. Ready? Alright, cool. Jesus, this is intense. This is like the crux. This is where it all comes together, or not. Alright. I think our little friend here died, but just in time, we got too much done, so let's clean up a bit there. Dude, that was good on camera.
No, I thought it was actually gonna like
Okay,
destroy the play button and eat it.
This is the piece of business gone. Now. Oh, come on.
Okay. Man, I could be glad. I'm actually serious. Just give me a videos and I make it. Alright.
Alright guys, so right here, this is the official YouTube diamond play button. And this is the 100% edible, the 100% edible diamond play button. Oh my god.
That looks so good. Now.
There it is. I'm just going to say this thing right here clocks in at 10 million calories. I'll do the math on this later, but I think that's right. This is my biggest challenge ever. So without further ado,
No, that's 10 million.
My diamond play button.
No way.
Alright, give me that countdown, Morgan. And now, hope, 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh my god, man, why don't you just enjoy it? Man, I gotta wake up at 7:30 today because I have like this rapid thing for my school. I'm gonna eat that. Hey, you gotta eat those crumbs. Nope, nope, nope. Oh my god, make me jealous.
Okay, guys, fair enough. If you're gonna complain about not finishing the challenge, I guess I can't say I completed the challenge. Alright, guys, well, that's it. That was.
Oh, you're dumb.
Eating my diamond plate button challenge. No clickbait.